அப்படியே படுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
Mismanagement, dehydration and exhaustion. On 6th October 2024 at Marina Beach, the 92nd Indian Air Force Day in Chennai was held after nearly 2 decades. The event entered Limca Book of Records for gathering the largest crowd at an air show, but it soon spiraled into chaos. But who is to be blamed for the chaos? We'll dive into the details in this video. About 15 lakh people gathered for the event, and the administration struggled to handle this crowd. Families, children and the elderly arrived in droves on trains, metros, buses, private vehicles and thousands of four-wheelers. By 7 a.m., 3 hours before the event was to start, the world's longest beach was transformed into a bustling sea of people. Known for its hot temperatures, by midday, temperatures in Chennai soared to a scorching 36 degrees Celsius with humidity levels reaching 74%. The intense heat took a toll on the crowd and dehydration quickly became a serious issue. 3 people fainted, unable to withstand the heat. Many people had no choice but to sit along the roadside trying to catch their breath. There was no water for this huge crowd. The water vendors, many who usually sell water in the area, had been removed from the event's vicinity due to safety concerns. Ambulances were in short supply. Tragically, 5 spectators lost their lives and over 200 were hospitalized due to dehydration. One of the victims is now demanding justice from the Tamil Nadu government.
மயங்கி தான் விழுந்திருக்காங்க. நீங்க வந்து உடனே ஸ்பாட்க்கு வாங்க மட்டும் தான் சொன்னாங்க. நான் அவங்க கிட்ட பேசிட்டே நான் வந்துட்டேன். ஸ்பாட்க்கு வந்துட்டா எல்லாமே அப்படியே படுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
In response to the growing criticism, Tamil Nadu's health minister and Chennai's mayor claimed that there were sufficient hospital beds available for those affected. But the question remains, was that enough?
40 ஆம்புலன்ஸ்கள் அங்கே நிறுத்தி வைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தது. இது மட்டுமல்லாது ஆயிரக்கணக்கான பாராமெடிக்கல் குழுக்களும் ஆங்காங்கே இருந்தது. ஆனால் தயார் நிலையில் இருந்தது ஒரு 4000க்கும் மேற்பட்ட படுக்கைகள்.
Health experts state that extreme heat can cause the body's hypothalamus to malfunction, leading to conditions like systematic inflammatory response syndrome (SIRS), which affects vital organs. In some cases, this can cause dangerous arrhythmias and even cardiac arrest. Over 7,000 police officers had been deployed for crowd control. Yet reports from the ground suggested that the police force was stretched thin. Traffic management was virtually non-existent. The city's major roads were gridlocked and no officers were present to ease the congestion.
None were to be seen on the roads at that point. The traffic came to a standstill.
As the air show concluded, the exit process became another ordeal. The lack of proper exits and the narrow streets around Marina Beach led to a bottleneck, trapping spectators in overcrowded conditions. Many attendees were forced to seek alternate routes through the congested roads, only adding to the traffic woes. Adding to the confusion was the lack of transportation options. Chennai metro services, though operational, were overwhelmed by the sheer number of attendees. Major stations were flooded with passengers, making it nearly impossible for the crowd to disperse efficiently. Those who couldn't access transportation were left stranded. For an event of this magnitude, venue selection plays a crucial role. Marina Beach, the world's longest beach, was chosen for its size, visibility and open space, factors that were initially seen as advantages. Venue decisions for the IAF events are typically made in collaboration with the IAF, the Ministry of Defence, state government officials and the local authorities. In the aftermath of the chaos, fingers are being pointed in every direction.
Administration, misadministration, the most worst traffic arrangement
is organized by the Air Force. Their own willingness wanted to come and we made proper arrangements.
This air show will not be remembered for the spectacular aerial displays, but for the tragic loss of life and the chaos that ensued.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.